is Jarisa. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to be decorating my house for fall for the first time here in the channel and also in my life. And I'm also gonna be making a kind of like a really big haul of all the things that I got. I really went all in it. I wanted to have like conventional fall decor because I love orange and rusty colors and all like that. I asked you guys if you wanted me to make the haul and the decorating with me together, or if you just wanted me to go to the decorating, and you said let's do both. I'm going to list where everything is from in the description box, and I'm also going to put the price around here. So if you enjoy this video and you find some inspiration on it, let me know what part is your favorite in the comment section, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe if you haven't already so you can become part of the family. So let's start with it. So I really love pumpkins, and the first thing I got was this really cute pumpkin. I just love the color because it's really warm and it's really heavy and it just feels really solid. I love this one, and I feel like I'm gonna be using this one for lots of years, unless it breaks. I got these little floral flowers for fall. They have like this rusty yellow color and they are really long. I'm thinking about putting these ones on a base that I got that is really trendy right now with like the amber color. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. And then something else that I got is this really cute base with the amber color. I have been seeing this everywhere, and I got this one I think from JOANN's, and I just love the color. Look at how beautiful this base is. I just feel like this one is gonna be the perfect tone for all the flowers and all the arrangements that I'm planning on making. Really cute. I love this bottle. I wanted to have some copper accents, and I found this really cute mug at Target, and this is supposed to be a mule mug. I'm going to be using this to make some pumpkin spice latte, and I found the recipe already. Let me know guys if you want me to make a video about it. So I just feel like it would look super cute on this. Let me go closer so you can see it. It's just like a hammered design. I have two of them. I feel like they're gonna look really cute for me and Chris to just sit down, you know, and sip on our lattes. I am so excited about this. And then something else that I got is another pumpkin. He's always calling me pumpkin, so this is why I decided to get so many pumpkins. It has the gold detail on the top, and I feel like it's really cute because it has also like a frosted design on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think you can also like take this part off and put like a candle in it or something. Something else that I got because I wanted to have like a pumpkin spice scent, but I also wanted to have a container that I could use for decor later. It's this really cute candle. This one smells amazing. It has this really cute amber container that I feel like I could use once the candle is done for like storing things like keys or anything like that. So I feel like it's really cute. This is another candle that I got that is also pumpkin spice because I want to have one in the kitchen and one in the living room. This one also smells really nice. It smells a little bit like sweeter than the other one. The other one has a very strong spice smell, but this one smells a little bit more like just like creamy pumpkin instead of like hardcore cinnamon. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what it smells like to me. And I feel like the container is really cute again, and I feel like that's gonna go with my decor too if I decide to use this for something else. Now I told you guys that I went crazy on the pumpkins, so I also found these little pumpkins that come in this little package, and it's just a bunch of tiny pumpkins that you can put like on your table arrangement or on a base. So I'm gonna try to get really creative with this and to see what I can do with it. And I also got these ones that are a little bit of like a cream color. I feel like they can look really nice inside of a base or on top of a plate or tray or something like that. And I also found these ones at JOANN's too, and I just feel like they look so cute. I'm gonna have like a pumpkin farm in my house. The next thing that I got was this throw pillow. I love that this one has this embroidery on the front, and it also has the tassel. If you have seen my DIY videos, you know that I love tassels. Just easy to combine with everything, so I feel like this one is perfect for that. I wanted to have some arrangements all around the house, so for this I found this stem that is basically like an olive branch stem. It looks pretty realistic and it has a couple of olives in there. And this one I got also from JOANN's. The original price was $5.99, but I think I only paid $2 for this because they were on a sale, and I feel like it's just a really long stem that you can put on a bottle or any kind of long base, and it's gonna look really nice like that. And I also found this really cute arrangement. Like if I decided to put it on a base like this, look at how nice that looks. So cute. Another long piece that I got was this one for those long bases. I like the colors because it's like a rusty orange color, and I feel like it's gonna look really nice too with everything else. And I also got these other flowers that have this really pretty orange color. I feel like it's almost the same color as this pumpkin. Like look at how pretty that looks. Oh my god. Imagine this like on a centerpiece on a table. Oh, love it. This is one of the last things that I got, but it's this piece of decor that I'm planning on having on my kitchen, like on my coffee bar or on my my bench. There are so many possibilities and so many chances for this. You guys know that I'm from the Dominican Republic, so for me this color is like so amazing because leaves don't really turn this color in my country, so whenever I see these colors I'm like fascinated by it. Originally it was $16, but I paid like $8 for it because they were having the discount, and I got 2 of these ones. And also from JOANN's I got this other one that is a little bit more simple. It looked a little bit fuller on the website. I'm not that fascinated by this one because it has these leaves that have kind of like a snake print on it, and I don't really like snakes. Nothing against them, it's just that they are not my favorite thing. But this one was also around the same price, like $8, and I just like that it has the pumpkins on it, like if I didn't have enough pumpkins already. And this is the last thing I got. Look at how pretty this pumpkin is. It's like an amber glass see-through pumpkin, and you can also put a candle in there if you want. So this is everything that I had to show you, so now we're gonna go into the house and we're gonna start decorating with it. When I'm decorating, I like to start by laying everything on the table so I can see everything that I'm going to use and lay down all my ideas. I'm going to start by decorating this corner in the kitchen. I'm gonna try to save as much space as possible because I still like having a lot of space here. So I figure if I put something in the corner, it's gonna be just perfect. Whenever I'm using flowers, I like to bend them because in this case, if I want to use them in another vase in the future, I can just do it. And then I added a rubber band because in this way it's gonna stay all together and it's not gonna move anywhere. I feel like it's really simple, but it looks really cute. I also wanted to do something above our sink because we have this big window and I just figured I would do something here. Because it's a little empty, I'm going to fill it in with a couple of pumpkins, and I'm also going to use some blue pumpkins that I got from Amazon to match the color of our walls. Now I'm going to be working in our coffee bar, and I love this coffee bar. We use it every day. We are coffee lovers. I'm going to be adding a garland on the top to add a pop of color. And then to fill it in, I just added a couple of pumpkins. Then on the bottom, I decided to add the pumpkins and the copper mugs, but I decided to swap the big pumpkin by the other one because I just felt like this one would pop better with the black. And this is what our coffee bar looks like. I love it. I also wanted to mention that on our countertops, I put this vase that I had in the living room, and the flowers are from Walmart and the vase is from the thrift store. Now I wanted to do something on this board that I had here in the kitchen, and it was actually kind of painful to erase this, but I had another idea, so I just used some markers that I got from Amazon, and I made a little design for fall. And I also added these pictures that we had taken before the pandemic started, and it was just a really awesome day. Now I'm going to be working in the living room, and you guys saw me cleaning this in my last video, and I was just preparing for this. So I decided to add this rug that I had in my YouTube room. And then to decorate, I just kept on using things that I had here in my house, like this blanket and some other pillows that I had here in the house. Then I added a couple of things that I got from the stores, like you saw before, and I know that these flowers have the tag on it. I'm going to fix it later. I added these pumpkins that I showed you before in the video, and I decided to swap them for the little cream ones later on, but I feel like it still looks really cute. I also used this scarf that I got from Urban Outfitters. I couldn't find a link, but I linked one that is really similar in the description box. I wanted to do something in our bench. I don't have any kind of table for this area, but I'm gonna be working with what I have. I decided to swap the decor for this tree that I had in our hallway. I just felt like it would go a little bit better. And I also wanted to use this sign that I had here in the house. I got this one from Home Goods a while ago, and I just added a couple of elements that I had from around the house. As you can see, I was adding these pumpkins that I got from Amazon. They have this pretty blue color, and I just feel like it matches the color of the wall, so this is why I added it. Something else that I like doing is to reuse or upcycle things that I already have, like this wine bottle. I just took all the tags off, and then I used it to put all the little branches and flowers that I bought. I also wanted to do something on the TV, so I used this garland and I just placed it behind the stereo, and then I put a couple of pumpkins in front of it. This is what everything looks like, and I really like it, and it's just how I imagined. There were a couple of things that still were to be delivered, and I'm planning on making some more DIYs to incorporate them into the decor, so stay tuned for that. But let me know in the comment section which part is your favorite. I think that my favorite is the kitchen and also the couch. I love how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next time. Bye bye.